Hi, this is Alex with Blix. Today we're going to be going over replacing and installing a new controller for your bike. Let's get started.
Tools we'll need for this installation include one 3mm Allen key. The controller is located on the bottom portion of the frame in the controller housing box. We'll begin by removing the faceplate held on by these 4 bolts. Once we have the faceplate removed, we can pull the controller out and access the wiring. Go ahead and grab your new controller. To prevent changing the cable layout, we'll remove and connect each wire one at a time. Make sure to power on your bike and confirm that the bike operates before continuing on. Once you confirm it's working, power off the bike. Now that all the cables have been connected to the new controller, we can go ahead and place the controller back into the housing. We'll finish off this installation by reinstalling the faceplate back onto the bike. We'll now show you how to replace the controller on a Paca. The tools we'll need for this installation include your battery key and a 3mm Allen key. The controller is located on the opposite side of the black Blix battery. Remove your battery with your battery key and remove the 3 bolts that hold the battery tray on the bike. This will allow you to access the mounting plate for the controller. The controller is held on by these 4 bolts. We can go ahead and remove these bolts and remove the controller from the frame. Now that this is complete, we'll remove all of the wires from the old controller. Take a picture of the wire configuration at this point to make sure that we reassemble correctly. Go ahead and grab your new controller. Mount the controller back onto the frame of the bike. Most of these connections are color-coded. Connect the wires to the corresponding colors. Make sure to align the arrows on the connectors. Replace any zip ties that were cut to ensure that no long cables have any slack. Mount the battery rail back onto the frame. Now that all the cables have been connected to the new controller, we can reinstall the battery and start riding.